Tuffy is located in Loves Park, Illinois, which is a suburb of Rockford, Illinois. We bought Tuffy Auto Repair in August of 2010. I wanted to make sure that everything here smelled good and looked good and just was very inviting. I want everybody who walks through that door, my customers, to be guests. And so I share that with my team. I want them to know that I want the car that they're working on to look better than when it was brought in, make them go, wow. And we send thank you notes. People are not used to an auto repair shop sending a thank you note. Our mission statement is to educate our guests besides fixing their car, because the car is the second largest purchase you're gonna ever make. So it's important that you know who's working on your car.
I have been working on cars since before I could drive them. My background's automotive engineering. I have 2 degrees, electrical and industrial engineering. We have 6 mechanics on staff. I kind of view us as like a teaching hospital where we take younger people that have a passion, and we're going to train them the right way to do it and how to make sure that the car is fixed correctly. We promote ASE certification. I'm an ASE master. We have 2 ASE masters on staff. Everybody else is getting their ASE certifications. We do all makes and models. We're kind of a dealership type experience, but a little less cost. We've invested in the software and the tools to be able to do just about everything. We figure out things that other shops can't. We offer loaner cars. We have 2-year nationwide warranty and free roadside assistance.
From day one, the Synchrony financing has been a big deal for us.
I learned early on that most people can't afford a $300 repair.
I really don't know what a lot of these people would have done without Synchrony. What makes Tuffy a pillar in the community to me is giving back. So we give free oil changes whenever we can to the people that really need it. We also do a lot of donations to our nonprofits here in town. We give 10% off to the military, first responders, the police force, veterans. It is very important that we recognize them and take care of them. We're all in this together. So I believe that we have to help everybody. It touches my soul to help people. Because I am a breast cancer survivor. This year, every time you get brakes done, $10 is going toward Strides for breast cancer.
It's never a good experience when you have to get your car fixed, but we try and make it easy and painless and comfortable and fun.
We wanted to do it differently. I knew that 70% of the people walking through that door were women, and it needed to be women friendly.
It's somewhat unique in the industry, I think. And again, we want them to have a complete understanding so they can make educated decisions. So by bringing them out in the shop, showing them what's going on with their vehicle, which system might need service, they have a good understanding and then can make educated decisions about maintaining their vehicle.
We never thought we'd own a business, and when we decided to do this, I wanted it to be something different that would stand out, and I think we've done that.